Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome back to the Day 438 summary. Make sure to like and subscribe to get more videos like these. The skies over Moscow were blotted out today by a massive fire that appears to have originated from a skyscraper. A Ukrainian soldier's life was saved today when an AK bullet struck his phone and was caught inside of the phone itself, the phone being placed directly over his heart.
Під серцем, прикинь, пуля, блядь.
Охуєть. Ти такий везучий, я тобі.
The 110th Brigade has continued to stop the Russian push in the Avdiivka direction, and here we can see the Ukrainians engaging Russian positions here along the tree line as a Russian tank moves forward to try and reinforce the battered positions. We can now see the tank firing, and the footage is cut a little bit later on, and we can see the vehicle further to the left in the tree line still smoking, the vehicle on the road still there. Now we can see that the vehicle on the road is nowhere to be seen. It appears to have withdrawn, while the vehicle in the tree line has been blown up by Ukrainian ATGM fire. We can see an unidentified vehicle. We're not really sure if this one was the vehicle on the road earlier in the clip, but it appears that one or two vehicles have been destroyed in the Avdiivka direction by the 110th Brigade. We can now see near a highway at Avdiivka, Russian tanks continuing to be hit by Ukrainian fire. We can now see a Russian crew abandoning the stricken vehicle as it continues to burn. In this clip, we can see Ukrainian tanks firing on the move. Make sure to subscribe and check out our live streams, as we run live streams every single day of the week except for Monday, covering the past 24 hours of the war. And I'll see you all in the next one.